Right, so I've welded these tabs on. I've made some more tabs which are going to be, they're going to bolt onto there, and it gives me option to adjust the racks, and then that will be welded onto there, and I can swing it like that to get it where I want it. That rack is running quite steep in relation to the bike, so if I had it like that in line, it would have been a bit too steep for the cases, so I'm able to, by having them like that, I can swing it and have it how I like, which is actually going to be about like that. Right, well this is the nearest thing to a jig I can come up with. The table's level, I know that, that's level, that's level. Right, got this far. This is the back of the bike. I'm making a stabilising bar just to go across there. Right then, okay, so I got two of these out of the scrap bin at work, and they're very sturdy. So what I've decided to do, I've decided to use this heavy bolt with the nut on the back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld a flat plate onto there and then weld that onto there. Something else I just wanted to point out was when it had the rack on originally, it used to just have those two centre bolts. It was mounted there, same the other side, and them two, and that was it. And even just with a top box on it, had a slight tendency to twist, you know, not hardly noticeable. It was still strong, but it was kind of a bit of a twist. So what I've done with this plate underneath, which is quite, they're the bolts, but this plate, I've put two extra bolts a bit further apart, which are more closer to the attachment brackets. So it's just, instead of the two, it's got an extra four in total now. So extra mounting points. Plus with the attachment onto here, it's all nice and solid. I think you could pick the bike up with it now anyway. But what I will do is, M6s at the minute, I'm going to take them out and put M8s in. Get some nice stainless steel bolts for all the attachment points. Paint it black, stainless steel bolts. It's going to look good. Right, that's the fabrication complete. All done. Fixings onto the rear foot peg hangers. I'm quite pleased. It's really solid, and it is very sturdy as well. That's it. Job done. Just got to give them a nice sand down now, primer and paint. The boxes need cleaning. They've got dirty while I've been working in the shed. This is quite heavy actually, quite sturdy. And the reason I'm going to primer it and rattle can it is because if I need to do any alterations, or if it's not right in any way, I can just alter it. If everything turns out fine and it works well, I might send it off for powder coating. So these are the parts, been painted, and I'm just about to install them on the bike. Nice firm clunk. Nice firm clunk, and now we have it. So this is it, the finished result. I'm very happy with it. It seems very strong. Can't wait to put it to the test and go on some camping trips. Thanks for watching, guys.